To buy options on Webull desktop, start by logging in to your Webull account and navigating to the trading platform. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with various menus and tabs. Click on the Trade tab to begin the process of buying options. First, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy options for in the search bar and select the stock from the drop-down list. Then, click on the Options tab to view available options contracts. You will see a list of options contracts with different strike prices and expiration dates. Next, choose the type of options contract you want to buy, either a call option or a put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the stock at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the stock at the strike price. Select the contract you want to buy by clicking on the Buy button next to it. Now, you will see an order ticket where you can enter the number of contracts you want to buy and set a limit price for your order. The limit price is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the options contract. Make sure to set a limit price that is reasonable based on the current market price of the contract. After setting your limit price and contract quantity, click on the Review button to review your order. Make sure all the details are correct, including the stock symbol, options contract, number of contracts, and limit price. If everything is correct, click on the Confirm button to submit your order. Your order will be sent to the exchange for execution, and if it is filled, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. You can then view your options position in the Positions tab, where you can monitor its value and make adjustments as needed. When buying options on Webull desktop, it is essential to understand the risks involved and to use proper risk management techniques. Options trading can be complex and may not be suitable for all investors. So make sure to educate yourself and set clear goals before starting to trade. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on Webull desktop, you can buy options contracts and start trading with confidence. Remember to always monitor your positions and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your investment goals.